Welcome back to Auto Luxury 295, the channel where timeless engineering meets classic design. Today, we're diving into one of BMW's most legendary creations, the 1975 BMW 3.0 CSL, also known as the Batmobile. A car that didn't just define BMW's racing heritage, it created it. Let's explore its exterior, interior, performance, and why this masterpiece still stands as a symbol of precision and passion. Exterior. The 1975 BMW 3.0 CSL is instantly recognizable, bold, aggressive, and pure motorsport. Its most iconic feature. That massive rear wing and aerodynamic body kit that earned it the nickname, Batmobile. Built with lightweight materials like aluminum doors, hood, and trunk lid, this car was a true homologation special for BMW's racing program. At the front, the twin-kidney grille and sharp headlamps gave it that unmistakable BMW identity. Wide fender flares, racing stripes, and the extended air dam were not just for show, they improved stability and downforce at high speeds. Every curve and line of the CSL was shaped for performance, but it also had a visual drama that made it look fast even when parked. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a minimalist, driver-focused cabin, purpose-built for racing. Forget luxury, this was about lightness and control. The interior was stripped of unnecessary weight, thinner glass, lightweight bucket seats, and minimal sound insulation. Yet, the craftsmanship remained pure BMW, solid build, precision fit, and that classic three-spoke steering wheel. The simple analog gauges provided all the vital information, speed, revs, and engine health, keeping the driver fully connected to the machine. It's a cockpit designed for those who appreciate raw driving purity, nothing more, nothing less. Performance. Under the hood, the 1975 BMW 3.0 CSL packed a 3.0-liter inline-six engine, producing around 206 horsepower in road trim. But what made it special was how it used that power, perfectly balanced handling, precise steering, and rear-wheel drive excitement. With a 5-speed manual transmission and a lightweight body of just over 1,165 kilograms, 2,570 pounds, the CSL could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.8 seconds, impressive for the mid-70s. On the track, its race-spec versions dominated the European Touring Car Championship, winning title after title for BMW. The CSL wasn't just a car, it was a statement that BMW could stand toe-to-toe with the best in motorsport. That's where BMW's famous slogan truly began to take shape, the ultimate driving machine. Conclusion. The 1975 BMW 3.0 CSL is more than a classic, it's a legend that represents the golden age of analog driving. It marked the beginning of BMW's performance lineage and proved that lightweight engineering and balance could outperform brute power. Today, the 3.0 CSL remains one of the most collectible BMWs ever made. A car that perfectly blends art, engineering, and racing history. It's the kind of machine that makes you feel every turn, every shift, every heartbeat of its inline-six engine. If you enjoyed this deep dive into BMW's iconic 3.0 CSL, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our next journey into automotive history. This is Auto Luxury 295, bringing you the stories behind the world's most legendary cars. Until next time, drive with passion, and live with style.